Hi, I'm Tom Nolle, president of CIMI Corporation. We've kind of gotten used to the idea that VMware is a player in the cloud. And one of the interesting developments now is that maybe we're going to have to get used to the idea that the cloud is not going to be VMware space anymore. Parent EMC is now looking at the cloud on its own, and they're reasoning with some justification that the evolution of the cloud is going to mean more than simply harnessing virtualization. In particular, EMC has had this concept called the pivotal interface. And the pivotal interface is a framework for a platform as a service. Not quite the same kind of platform as a service as, let's say, Microsoft's Azure, but platform as a service in more the lines of AWS, where you write a cloud service set that supplements basic infrastructure as a service with other features. And one of the ones that seems likely to emerge from the EMC pivotal process is the same kind of analytics or data warehousing as a service that we see in the recent Amazon Redshift announcement. The question for this obviously is not so much do we worry about the fact that VMware is perhaps losing ground to parent EMC in this, because after all, what difference does it make whether we get a combined package from one of the players or the other? The real question is whether we really are seeing the beginning of a shift away from infrastructure as a service, and I think we are. The cloud's value proposition is really one that depends on either multiplying benefits of the cloud by doing something you can't do otherwise, or at least displacing a lot of other costs. And infrastructure as a service is too primitive to do either one of the two of those things well. So I think EMC is going to be, or wants to be, a leader in the new version of the cloud that's more than just virtual machine hosting. And if they succeed in that, and they very well may, that could be a real step forward for our conception of cloud computing. Thank you. I'm Tom Nolle.